And hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a tool today. Help you can increase engagement and push trends for video. It's my TikTok. The tool will help you automatically comment. Go to the videos. It's in your profile. Well, first we will go to any video link. I've prepared a video link here. Here, you can copy a lot of video links so that I can push up the trend. Next, we will go to the software. In the software here, you can see that it's software. I will help you manage many TikTok accounts. We'll paste that video link here. Then we'll stay. Each video link is a line. I'm choosing to run at the same time. 15 streams? That's 15 eyes. Next, we will select an account. Next select the content. I have prepared the content here, and each of these will be a line. The software will automatically. It's sifting through this content. Leave a comment for you. You can make 100, 200, or 1,000. Comment content. Save and press start. Sign into your accounts. Find the video link and perform the comment action. The software will automatically go see the videos and automatically leave a comment for you. After viewing, the software will automatically close and open the next slaps. And the video and video tutorials here are over. Do you care about software? Maybe contact me by tele or print or WhatsApp on the screen. Hi, and see you in the videos next time.